Introduction. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on building an online business from scratch. If you're interested in creating a successful online business, you'll want to know the essential steps to take. In this video, we'll cover the key concepts and tasks to help you get started. Define your business. To build an online business, you first need to define what it is. This means deciding on a business name, identifying your target audience, and determining what products or services you'll offer. Think of this as creating a roadmap for your business. For example, let's say you want to start a blog selling handmade jewelry. Your business name might be Handmade Sparkles, your target audience would be women aged 25-45, and your products would be unique, handmade jewelry pieces. Choose a platform next. You'll need to choose a platform to host your online business. A platform is a website or software that allows you to create and manage your online presence. Common platforms for building an online business include WordPress, Shopify, and Wix. Each platform has its own features and user interface, so it's essential to research and choose the one that best fits your needs. For instance, if you're selling physical products, you might prefer Shopify for its e-commerce features. Set up your website. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to set up your website. This involves selecting a template, customizing your website's design, and adding essential pages like a home page, about page, and contact page. Think of this as building the foundation of your online business. You'll also want to ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as many users will access it from their smartphones. Develop a content strategy. A successful online business needs a content strategy. This involves creating and publishing content that attracts and engages your target audience. This can include blog posts, social media updates, videos, or podcasts. For example, if you're selling handmade jewelry, you might create a blog post about the design process or share a video tutorial on how to make a specific piece. Monetize your business. To generate revenue, you'll need to monetize your online business. This can be done through various methods, such as selling products, offering services, or displaying ads. You might also consider affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Launch and promote. The final step is to launch and promote your online business. This involves making your website live, sharing it with your target audience, and promoting it through various channels like social media and email marketing. Recap and next steps. That's it for this tutorial. You now have a basic understanding of the key steps to build an online business from scratch. To recap, we covered defining your business, choosing a platform, setting up your website, developing a content strategy, monetizing your business, and launching and promoting it. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below with your questions or feedback.